anyone else think headlines like this are absolutely terrifying? I mean, why would Jeff Bezos be selling $8.5 billion of Amazon stock when the stock market is now at an all-time high? You seem to have this narrative where the stock market has now hit a new all-time high, and headlines are pushing this very heavily because historically when the market hits an all-time high, it can often continue running up. So you have this wave of retail investors continuing to buy stocks, pushing them higher, yet you have Jeff Bezos, you have Mark Zuckerberg selling almost $1 billion of Meta stock, and you have multiple politicians that have been offloading a large percentage of their stock portfolio over the last couple of months. These are some pretty serious insiders, and if they thought that the stock market was going to continue pushing to new all-time highs, why would they be selling such a large percentage of their stock portfolio? I mean, $8.5 billion of the company that you started. Why would you sell such a large amount of that stock if you didn't think it was going to be lower at a future date? It does seem like something is going on in the economy, and there are cracks that have been showing over the last year. You've had multiple banks going bankrupt, and one more this year, New York Community Bank, that is on the verge of collapse. They reported terrible earnings. Their stock dropped 40% overnight. And you have inflation starting to creep back up, and somehow the Fed is supposed to be cutting rates 4 or 5 times. I'm not sure what the forecast is right now. Last I checked, I think it was 4 rate cuts are priced in for this year. Why would the Fed cut rates if you have unemployment at almost record lows and inflation numbers potentially going back up? And also, people that are betting on rate cuts, if you look at historical events, the stock market actually crashes when the Fed starts to cut rates multiple times, because usually they have waited too long and something has already broken in the economy. Let me know your thoughts down below and follow me for more.